Hi.
Hi. So, hi Sanjita, how are you?
Oh, so पहचान कौन? Hi.
Hi,
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good. So, आप बताइए कि लॉकडाउन में आप क्या कर रहे हैं? Like what new?
लॉकडाउन में कुछ नहीं. I'm at home and अब थोड़ा थोड़ा लॉकडाउन खुलना शुरू हो गया है. So been have shot for few things. So was busy with that. I was in Goa. I got back 2 days back from there. And अब यहाँ पे आके वापस से मेरा लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया है.
So, how was your trip to Goa? मजा आया?
It was a shoot thing, yeah. I stayed there for 2 3 days. It was good. It was a ad shoot, so I was just busy with that, and it was hectic because on airports and everywhere it is very much taking a lot of precautions, which was
Yeah.
good. And घर आके भी I've quarantined for 2 3 days now, so it was nice.
So, इस लॉकडाउन में या इस पेंडेमिक में या इस साल में आपने कोई ऐसा नया सा टैलेंट डिस्कवर किया खुद के अंदर? कुकिंग या समथिंग एल्स?
Oh, so I love doing yoga. I'm a yoga enthusiast. I do yoga every day. So yoga mein I worked more on myself. I have actually done like advanced level of my yoga now. So I was busy doing that during the lockdown, reading a lot of scripts, watching good classic movies. All those things were the part of my daily routine. So explored quite a lot of things during this
So,
lockdown. This was much needed,
yeah.
to stay at home, work on yourself. It's the best part for an actor. So I was doing that.
सो आपने इतनी नई स्क्रिप्ट्स रीड की जैसे कि आपने कहा. सो आपने कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट साइन अप किया जिसके बारे में आप बता सकते हो? एनी न्यू
मैंने
फर्दर
अभी एक
प्रोजेक्ट?
आर्ट फिल्म के लिए शूट किया था रिसेंटली लॉकडाउन में ही. So there were few creative people, very nice people. I really like their concept and everything. So we shot for that, and there are things coming up which you guys will be updated soon about everything. Yeah.
तो आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में कितना टाइम हुआ एंड हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस थ्रू आउट?
So मुझे इस लाइन में आए हुए 2 साल हो गए हैं, जिसमें एक साल I was busy training myself. I did a course from Jeff Goldberg Studio in Mumbai, and then I was doing like 2 plays after that back to back. And उसके बाद I was busy giving auditions. So during that time was like 1 year when I was doing all this, and 1 year I was like properly auditioning and doing going for every audition and working on my acting more.
सो जहाँ तक मैंने सुना आपने थिएटर्स किए पहले?
Yeah, I've done 2 plays till now. I've done 2 plays because for me in this line it's just been 2 years, as I said. तो मैंने अभी तक 2 plays करे थे. एक हिंदी में किया, एक इंग्लिश में किया. And उसके बाद फिर काम आने लगा, so I was busy doing the work.
सो मतलब नहीं, थिएटर से बॉलीवुड तक पहुंचना, लाइक मूवीज तक पहुंचना इज रियली अ बिग थिंग इन जस्ट 2 years. दैट्स एक्चुअली वेरी ग्रेट. सो ऐसा कोई मतलब आपको आपका ऐसे वो रियल स्ट्रगल स्टोरी आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे ब्रीफ में शेयर कर सकते हैं दैट हाउ हाउ डिफिकल्ट वाज इट कि मुंबई में जैसे स्ट्रगल लाइफ होती है आप अपनी लाइफ थोड़ी ऐसे शेयर कर सकते हो?
So for me, struggle wise, I would say I was blessed. I was very positive actually. कि जब मैंने with me it was that very clear that अगर मैंने कुछ choose किया है तो मैं उसे फिर करके ही रहूँगी. It's the kind of my nature. So in the beginning, it was of course tough for me to understand things, how things work, how actually casting directors work, how the auditioning part works, कैसे कैसे कहाँ पे क्या बोलना है क्या करना है. So it took me a time to understand that hierarchy of things. Now people also know you initially, so you have to go meet people, make them aware that you are the part of this industry and you are a good actor. Once they have faith in you, they start calling you, they start auditioning you for things. They feel that you're fit into that role, so they start calling you, they start auditioning you. It's very important to just be there, go meet people. कई बार ऐसा होता था कि auditions बस I used to just go out of my house and I used to be आज तो मैं 1 2 auditions दे के ही आऊंगी, was the kind of the spirit I had कि मुझे every day productive रखना. I don't have to waste any of my single day. So because I'm in Mumbai and I'm not totally into this and I want to do this badly, so I used to just go out, go audition. At the end of the day जब मैं घर आती थी, I used to feel that हाँ मैंने 1 2 auditions दिए हैं, मतलब my day was productive. And कई बार तो ऐसा होता था मेरे friends पूछते थे कहाँ जा रही है, I'm saying I'm going for a meeting, and then they ask me how did that meeting turned out, how did it go. So of course, every selection you are just there sometimes. Sometimes you make it, sometimes you don't make it. You are in the top two. You go meet the directors and you go see, understand few things. It's a process, you know. It's a procedure which goes on. So I used to go and they used to be like, "कैसी थी वो meeting?" अच्छा, and then they used to call me and they was like, "अरे तुम तो meeting पे ही जा रही होगी." I said, "हाँ, today one or two of them are lined up, but let's see how it goes." So yeah, it was an everyday thing and part of an actor's journey, you can say.
या सो गिन्नी विद सनी जो आपकी फिल्म है उसमें आपका जो रोल है उसके बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हो? मतलब जो लोग देख रहे हैं उनको ऐसे कुछ ब्रीफ में बता दीजिए कि आपका रोल क्या
तो
है?
आज तो फिल्म रिलीज हो गई है, आपने फिल्म देखी है कि नहीं देखी?
अभी तक तो नहीं देखी।
I'm asking you.
यानी एक्चुअली
तो
अभी
आज
तक
फिल्म रिलीज हो गई है।
या
या गो ऑन।
नो मतलब मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखी बट आई विल बी सून वाचिंग इट।
Yeah. So my character is Yami's friend I'm playing in that film, and a friend who's very mature, who is a sensible, a strong girl, smart, strong, independent girl. So that is what I am. I share a relationship where I am like the part of her family, and I understand her. And for relationship advice, she comes to me, and we talk about it. And we are working in the same office. So that is about the character in the film.
सो हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद यामी गौतम एंड विक्रांत मसे? एक्सपीरियंस बताएं अपना।
It was good. It was of course nice. They both were really nice people, very humble actors, very supportive, and it was a good experience to work with these talented actors.
कुछ
And I was
सीखने को
happy when I got to know that they are the main leads in the film. I was really happy to know that, and I was happy that I'm part of such a big project. So I was happy about it, and I
सो
wish them all the success and all the happiness.
वी विश द सेम फॉर यू। सो आपने कुछ सीखा मतलब समथिंग न्यू यू लर्न फ्रॉम यू नो वर्किंग विद देम और वर्किंग इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू दैट यू डिडंट नो बिफोर?
Yeah, of course. For me, it's my first film. So how do film sets work? Because इससे पहले I'd done a few web shows, and it was every set works differently. So how film set works, how everything works, you know. So काफी कुछ मुझे समझने को मिला, काफी clarity आई in mind that what kind of roles I want to do, what kind of films I would and scripts I would want to do. So इससे काफी मुझे as an actor I got clarity कि what is going to be like my next step and next move and how I should go about it if I want to achieve a certain goal. So how would I do it? So it was all in all a good experience and a very learning one. Like I learned a lot out of it.
सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आई मीन आपने कहा कि आपको बहुत सीखने को मिला सो उस हिसाब से किस टाइप के स्क्रिप्ट्स या रोल्स करने में आप ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल और यू नो ज़्यादा अच्छे से फील कर सकती है?
So I feel I'll fit in very well into strong feminist जो roles होते हैं, strong women roles where it is about putting up a word in the society about how women functions and how you know the challenges which they face and it's basically the women empowerment ones. So I think I'll fit in to that really well. Also मैं बिचारी बनने का भी काफी because I feel I look very innocent sometimes. So that innocence and then you know later on she comes out to be someone whom she was not, like that kind of grey characters. I feel I'll be pretty good with all that.
सो आपका जो फ़िल्म में कैरेक्टर है और आपका जो पर्सनल लाइफ़ में मतलब आपकी जो पर्सनैलिटी है वो कितनी सिमिलर है?
फिल्म से में लाइक इट इज शी इज फैशनेबल, प्रेरणा इज वेरी फैशनेबल, प्रेरणा इज वेरी शी इज स्ट्रांग एंड शी इज क्लियर एंड उसको सब समझ में आता है बट शी वांट्स कि गिन्नी खुद अपने मुंह से वो चीज बोले जो वो उसकी हर चीज समझती है बट शी वांट्स कि गिन्नी अपने मुंह से खुद बोले. तो दैट स्मार्ट गर्ल, इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, आई एम नॉट बूस्टिंग अबाउट माय सेल्फ बट आई फील उसके कुछ कुछ पार्ट्स है मुझ में. So I can relate to it. Like that is how even I am sometimes. So I can relate to it,
सो
to this
आपने
character.
आपने इस लॉकडाउन में ऐसी कोई सीरीज़ या फ़िल्म देखी जिसको आपने देखा एंड आपको लगा कि ये वाला जो कैरेक्टर है वो मैं भी काफ़ी अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ और अगर इसका सीक्वल आया तो यू नो इफ आई कुड इवन गेट कास्टेड इन इट बिकॉज यू नो आई कैन परफॉर्म इन दैट वेल. ऐसा कोई सीरीज या फिल्म देखी आपने?
ऐसे तो बहुत से कैरेक्टर्स और बहुत से रोल्स हैं, लाइक आई हैव सीन ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 30-40, शायद मैं कम ही बोल रही हूँ. आई हैव वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ क्लासिक फिल्म्स लाइक हॉलीवुड वंस. सो आप जब फिल्म देखते हो, आई डोंट थिंक व्हेन आई सी द फिल्म कि हाँ भाई ये मैं अच्छा कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं कर सकती. एज एन एक्टर यू आर जस्ट ऑब्जर्विंग. So I'm just observing also and absorbing the things of an actor, how the actor's choices are, how the actor is performing. So I take in all that, and then when the script comes and when I perform, then of course things happen. It is on its own. But ऐसे कुछ इसमें specific mindset कि नहीं मुझे यही करना है, नहीं मुझे ऐसा ही करना है, is not. I never like pre-decide it. It's just you see, but there are few characters which you really like. When you see, you like this kind of character. Like when I saw Hotstar mein that Arya of Shushmita Sen, I really liked her character. The way she was, handling everything in the script and about her character journey in that. So all those web shows and all those films I've seen, where I of course observe and I really praise the way the actors have acted as well they can with their characters. But then when I look at it, I would just observe कि हाँ इसका best मैं क्या ले सकती हूँ. So I try to understand that.
So आपकी ये पहली मतलब बॉलीवुड डेब्यू है. So while going to the shooting जब first day था, so were you like a bit pressurized या relaxed या मतलब कैसा अंदर
Oh
से
no, I was very excited. I was very excited. I was like, wow. So we shot mostly this in Delhi. Delhi में हमारा main shoot शुरू हुआ था. There were very few parts which were shot in Mumbai. I think just one song we did in Mumbai and rest was shot there. And then we were traveling for hill stations again for the song shoots. So we were traveling mostly, but Delhi was the main location जहाँ पे हमारा होता था. So I was very excited from Bombay to Delhi. I was traveling and I was excited that yeah, I'm going to shoot for a film and working with such good actors, with Yami, with Vikrant. So I was excited to meet everyone on set. I was excited कि क्या चल रहा है. I remember the first day I was so excited. I reached there already. The shoot was going on. So I said them that I want to come on the set and have a look. So I went and I was excited. I was meeting everyone. I was excited about that.
So सेट पे ऐसा कोई इंटरेस्टिंग सा आपका फन एक्सपीरियंस हुआ यामी मैम के साथ या विक्रांत सर के साथ या डायरेक्टर के साथ, कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जो आप शेयर करना चाहे?
काफी मेमोरीज है. काफी हम लोग ने मस्ती करी, काफी फन किया है ड्यूरिंग द शूट. सॉन्ग्स में हम लोग बहुत फन करते थे, डांस होता था फिर उसके टेक्स होते रहते थे. वी यूज्ड टू डू दैट एंड बहुत से एक्सपीरियंसेस है. ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिक अगर मैं कहूँ तो स्पेसिफिक तो मुझे अभी ऐसे सच याद नहीं है. बट देन वी हैड लॉट ऑफ फन. लाइक एवरी टाइम इट यूज्ड टू बी न्यू थिंग. And Puneet sir was really nice as a director. He was very positive, and the best part about him was कि वो पूरा सुनते थे. Like when I used to say कि sir this way, for him also it was his first film, so he also used to be very excited. I used to be very excited putting my input. Sir ऐसे कर सकते हैं, ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Like हाँ ये कर लो, ये कर लो. So he used to be very open in discussing also, not very adamant about that I want specifically this only. So all in all it was a very good experience. And rehearsals होती थी थोड़ी बहुत, तो यानी के साथ मेरे सीन्स ज़्यादा हैं थोड़े, तो उनके साथ होती थी. फिर विक्रांत भी होते थे, एक दो सीन्स में हैं हम लोग सब साथ में, when it's like just three of us. So it used to be fun. It used to be also fun loving, joyful. So बहुत ही positive and happy environment होता था set पर. कुछ ऐसा pressure वाला तो feeling नहीं आई मुझे.
ओके. सो जैसे कि आपने कहा कि फिल्म रिलीज हो चुकी है एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल बी लाइक अ ग्रेट वन. मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं है बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच इट. सो आपको रिव्यूज आना शुरू हो गए कि लाइक उसके बारे में सुबह से?
I am getting, yeah, of course, I'm getting messages and calls from my friends and family. They are all liking it. My nearby people, those who were excited to see me on screen, so they all are messaging and calling me.
सो आपकी ये मतलब 2 साल में ही आप थिएटर से फिल्म तक पहुंच गए हो एंड इट्स अ ह्यूज ब्रेक. सो काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है आपकी भी. सो आप अपने फैंस को ऐसे कोई शॉर्ट सा मैसेज दे सकते हैं जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं एंड यू नो दे वांट टू गेट इनटू बॉलीवुड?
Oh, but like I don't think so that I've become such a big actor कि मैं कुछ ऐसे message provide करूँ, but I would just say that believe in yourself, keep going on. There will lot of obstacles which will come. There will be a lot of people those who will try to put you down, and there will be a lot of people those will be jealous of you also. They will not see you happy grow, and they will not be really keen on pushing you ahead, and they will try to pull you back every while, but it's just you and only you and your strength and belief in yourself which will get you forward. So किसी किसी के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, छोटी छोटी चीजें तो होती ही रहेंगी, छोटी भी लगेगी वो बड़ी भी लगेंगी, but then एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा that everything will work the way you want if you have faith in yourself. That's what I truly believe in.
So Sanchita, it was really pleasant having an interview with you, and we hope to
Thank you.
see your name on the screen soon for the next films and projects as the
Yeah.
lead role as the main actress.
Yeah.
So all the best
Yeah.
for
Thank
that,
you so much.
and
Thank you
congratulations
so
for
much.
the film. Yes,
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Do watch it.
sure, sure.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.